We're back here in the second game in tonight's D2D Fan Club 5. We've got Hougang Hools up against Lightning Cups. Lightning Cups in the dark blue and Hougang Hools in black. Hougang Hools kicking from left to right. Keeper, mix up there at the back, and Lightning Cups got their first goal of the night. 1-0. Lightning Cups are currently second in the league, but they lost their last match against Gunners 14-4. Currently on 22 points, but Hougang Hools languishing near the bottom. Oh, that's a goal! Second goal there. 2-0 from goalkeeper. Bernard. Hougang on the ball. Bernard loses the ball. Okay, the ball. Pass to the opponent. Clovis safe. Ushered out there by Lightning Cups. Kevin, nice turn. See, Clovis gathers the ball. Kevin, nice save there by Clovis. Kevin harassing, nice turn. Turns back. Intercepted there. Oh no, not still Hougang. Surma on the left. Intercepted. Bernard with the ball. Through ball. Oh, intercepted and it's a corner. Interception there by Pravin. Corner for Hougang. Shot, over the bar, and it's a goal kick to the Lightning Cups. Lightning Cups have a chance to go top of the table tonight if they beat Hougang Hools tonight. Kevin, another goal, and it's 3-0 to the Lightning Cups. Surma carries the ball. Nice pass there. Shot saved there by Surma. Wide. Way wide. Turn. Intercepted by Rajdev. But Hougang still gets the ball. Shot from far is high and wide. Hougang subs in Faris for Bernard. Kevin on the ball. Turn to Rajdev. Surma was the ball. Nobody there with high ball. Ball goes out for Hougang kick in. With Milan losing to Gunners in the previous game, Lightning Cups will go top if they win this match against Hougang. Nobody at the end of it. Oh, kick in for Hougang. It's only 3-0. Can Hougang get back into it? Can they even score a goal in the first place? Surma Kevin. Save there by Clovis. Paris. Nobody at the end of it. Pass to Surma on the far side. Turn passes to tackle, kick in for Lightning Cups. It's Pravin to Kevin. Kevin all the way back to Pipu. To Pravin. Now to Kevin. Nice save there by Clovis. Rajdev back to Pipu in goal. Shoot from far. Easy collect there from Clovis. Shot saved there by Pipu. Oh, that's almost a goal, but the ball rolls wide, and it's a goal kick to Lightning Cups, who are currently leading 3-0. High ball. Nice reception. Nuzurma shot wide. Hougang. Free kick for Hougang. Shot. Block. Hit his own player. Surma. Nice block there. Surma. Shot again. Nice save there by. Oh, what a miss there by Kevin. He should have buried that right in front of goal. That's ball. Kevin, nice block there by Clovis. Rajdev take the kick in. Pravin. Back to Pipu. Ibu high and wide. Lightning Cups playing aggressive style of football. Asked the ball on the overlap, but couldn't run into it. Pravin back to Pipu with the kick in. Back to Pravin. Pravin on the left. Covered by two players, and it's a goal kick to Hougang. Kick one. Another kick in, nice cover there. Nice turn, oh, easily tackled there. Surma. Kevin. Back to Pipu. Pipu to Surma. Nice holding on the ball. Nice pass there to Kevin. Oh, just wide. Hougang plays the ball out from back. Intercepted there. Intercepted by Surma. Surma. Tackle. Oh. Pravin tackles the ball out for a kick in to Hougang. Surprisingly, this game is Lightning Cups are only leading 3-0. Would have expected it to be more. Nice goal, nice cover there to Hougang Hools. Kick in. Clovis. Shot! Oh, wide there from from Pravin. Paul came in for Kevin. Nice turn. Shot. Nice save there by Pipu. I think he didn't expect that. I still made the save. Oh, easy catch there by Pipu. Surma. Nice block there. Intercepted. Paul would have been through on goal. Shot wide. Shot from Rajdev. Substitution. Surma goes out. Free kick to Lightning Cups. Paul on the ball. Cut in. Intercepted there by Faris. Another one. Nice skill. Oh, blocked there by Pipu with his feet. Kick in to Hougang. Almost had an own goal there. Nice tackle there by Pravin. Pravin, back heel to Paul, saved there by Clovis. And out, kick into Lightning Cups. Shot, saved there by Clovis. That would have gone into the top corner from Rajdev. Blocked. Pravin to Rajdev, to Pipu back in goal. Pravin to Paul. Pipu from far, oh, header, and ball goes out. Is a kick into Lightning Cups. With this current scoreline, Lightning Cups will be at the top of the table. See what? Oh, Paul doing a bit of skill there. Skill gone wrong there. And kick into Hougang. Hello. Oh. Nice dribble there. So his feet. Oh, what a save there for me. Pipu with his feet. What? It's a penalty to Hougang. It's a free kick in the area. And that's first goal for Hougang tonight. 3-1, and it's on. If Hougang can weather Lightning Cups attacks and hit them on the break and actually score some of their shots, I think Hougang could cause an upset here if they play their cards right. But so far they haven't really gotten any shots. There is any good shots. Oh, and Almas substitute just came in and it's 4-1. Clovis got the initial save, but Almas was unmarked. Ball falls to him and easy tap in for goal number 4. Kick into Hougang. Paris to back to Clovis. Faris, ball bounce to Faris. Ball control. Ravin turns. Faris intercepts. Oh, lackadaisical shot. So kick in for Hougang. Another kick into Hougang. Oh, intercepted. Easy collect there by Clovis. Oh, nice clearance there by Paul, and it's a corner to Hougang. It's a kick in. Goal kick. But corner to Hougang. Lightning Cubs leading 4-1. Another tackle. Intercepted. Oh, blocked there. Almas. Oh, almost a goal, I feel. And it's a goal kick to Hougang. Clovis. So good defending there by Pravin. And it's a corner to Hougang. 4-1 here in the first half of these two D2D Fan Club 5's Division 2 match between Hougang Hools and Lightning Cubs. Right now, Hougang having a quick succession of corners. Clovis. Pass to Faris. Back to Clovis. Pressed there by Almas. Resulted in a kick in to Lightning Cubs. Pravin back to Pipu. Pipu. Pass to Almas. Almas to Siwa. Pravin shot from far. Blocked. Free kick to Lightning Cubs. Clovis blocked. And that's a goal there by Lightning Cubs, and that's half time. It's 5-1 to Lightning Cubs. Can Hougang Hools get back in the second half? We'll see you next time.
You need to go through the time. No, that one, I know, because I thought it was going to shoot, that's why I came out. Cannot have like that. You going for either. You going, later you going.
Welcome back to the second half of the D2D Fan Club 5's match between Hougang Hools and Lightning Cubs. Hougang Hools will kick off. No, Lightning Cubs will kick off from left to right. Riyadh has gone onto the pitch for the second half. Division 2 match. Poor pass there by Clovis to Burnett. Lightning Cubs are leading 4-1. Save there by Clovis. Riyadh with his unconventional dribbling skills. Faris to Kevin, shot wide. Shot high and wide. If the score remains the same, Cubs will be top of the table tonight with 25 points, and Milan will drop to third with 22 points, and Gunners will be in second position with 24 points. Nice save there by Clovis. Prevent the header from Kevin. He didn't even get to the head of Kevin. Oh, nice save there by Clovis. Riyad. Ball goes out for kicking to Cubs. Watch Dave. Tipu. Faris shot. Tipu got back to save. Beautiful. Quick feet from a big man. Faris to Riyad, who couldn't get there in time. Foul there. No, it's a ball goes out for kicking to Hougang Hools. Who will stay in 6th position if the result remains the same at the end of this match. But they do have a game in hand against Newcastle, who are just 3 points above them in 5th. It's blocked there by Hougang. Kick into the Cubs. Ravin. Saved by Clovis. Oh, what happened there to Faris? I think it was like an accidental elbow, perhaps, by either Paul or Kevin. We can't get a replay on this. This is a pre-recorded commentary and filming of the match. No live, no replay. What do you guys think? Do you want a live screening, live telecast of the D2D Fan Club 5s? Faris leaping off the pitch. Looks like he won. Looks like Elvin will take his place on the pitch. Bernard. Elvin almost running into the path of the ball from Bernard. Tipu. Nice header, Paul. Better save from Clovis. But ref orders it to be retaken. Paul. Ball goes out for Cubs kick in. Ravin. Corner kick to Cubs. Save there. Bernard. Nice skills there. Oh, people couldn't keep the ball out. And it's 5-2, sorry. Ravin. It's blocked there by Riyad. Captain Elvin Tan. Blocked there by Riyad. Can he inspire the Hools to claw back this 3-goal deficit? Bernard. Nice turn. To Elvin. Oh, what a save there by Pipu. How did he save that? With his bum. Paul up against Riyadh. 3 against 2. Nice tackle there by Riyadh. Ball goes out for a corner to the Cubs. And another block there by Riyadh. Another corner for Cubs. Rajdev. Shot from far, blocked by Elvin. Substitution. Kevin out for Surma. Kick into the Cubs. 2 people. Shot. Oh, wide there from Bravin. Shot. Oh, almost a goal there through the legs of people, but the ball went wide of the goal. Score remains 5-2 in favor of the Cubs. Surma misjudged the bounce of the ball. Bernard. Surma got the ball, blocked there by Bernard, and kick into Cubs. Shot from far, and it's a goal there. Beautiful shot from range from Pravin, and it's 6-2 to the Cubs. Surma, nice bit of skill there, but Bernard makes a tackle and a kick into the Cubs. Elvin, Bernard. Nice tackle there by Pravin. Yeah, Lolo Surma, almost a goal there. Riyadh, miscommunication there with Clovis, almost resulted in a goal for the Cubs. So Cubs kick in. It's blocked. Surma again. Ball, turn and shot. Wide. Was that a cross or a shot? Riyadh requesting a sub, but the ball is already in play. Bernard couldn't get the ball. Substitution, finally Riyadh gets to come off. Ball comes off. Pipu has done well so far as a goalkeeper tonight. Surma, but Bernard was behind instead. Pravin, high ball, kick in to Hools, to Clovis. Elvin shielding the ball, and that's a foul, kicking of the legs, accidental, but still a foul. Oh, failed to control the ball, and ball goes out for goal kick to Cubs. Shot, oh, it's a pass, Surma, goal! 7-2 to the Lightning Cubs. Poor control there. Goal kick to Cubs. Elvin run into traffic. Surma Shot. Oh, beautiful low shot to the right of Clovis. And that's it to Alvin. Kick in to Cubs. Alvin with the ball. Loses the ball. Nice pass. Oh, nice block there by Riyad. Followed his man all the way. Pipu. Howitzer. Shot. Deflected onto the post. Clovis got away with that. Collects the ball. Pravin. Surma pass. Surma pass again. Pravin couldn't connect. Kick into Hools. Trailing 8-2. Shot. That's another goal there for the Lightning Cubs. And that is 9-2. Alvin seen limping there off the pitch to be replaced by Bernard. Rajdev coming off for Almas. Clovis to Bernard. To Riyad. Nice pressure there by Bernard. And a kick into Hools. Just gonna pass it to Riyad. Riyad turns and loses the ball. Surma turns and shoot. And it's another goal. That's 10-2 to the Cubs. Shot from far, it goes high. Goal kick to the Cubs. Pass there by Pravin. Surma to Pravin. Shot from far, block. Save there by Clovis. Oh, another block there. Almas shot wide, but it's deflected wide, and it's a corner to the Cubs. Blocked from the corner. Another corner. Nobody at the end of it. And it's a Riyad got last touch, so it's a kick into Cubs. Pravin on the ball there, near side here. Nobody at the end of it. Riyad. Shot from far, high and wide. Surma. Almas. Nice save there. Kick into the Cubs. Almas. Shot wide. Clovis. Bernard gets the ball, loses the ball. Nice control there by Surma. Almas. Back to Pipu. Pipu, nice pass there, Pravin, unmarked. Shot, goal. 11-2.
Hold.
Riyad high. Kick into the Cubs. Pipu Long range shot. Deflected. Kick into Cups. Riyad, there's the ball. Riyad shot, save there by Pipu. Pravin. Blocked there by Bernard. Kick into Cups. What? Blocked. Almas. Corkscrew shot. Out for a goal kick. Almas. Suma. Almas. Loses the ball. Pravin. Ball goes out. Kick into Cups. Suma shot off the post and out for a kick in to the Hools.
Don't play across. Take it up. Don't play across. Come on, Don.
Riyad. Poor pass. Kick into the Cups. Almost. Pipu to Pravin. Pipu all the way into the opponent's half. Loses the ball. Riyad couldn't keep the ball in properly, and it's a goal kick to the Cups. Pipu, high ball. Oh, what a miss. Still 11-2 to the Cups. Bernard couldn't get the end of the pass. Suma, nice, beautiful chip there. And it's 12-2. Riyad. Bernard. Loses the ball to Amas. Surma. Pass. Oh, nice block there. And it's a save by Clovis. Bernard on the ball. And it's a kick into the Hools. So winding down on this second match of tonight in the D2D Fan Club 5's Division 2, and that's game, set and match. Lightning Cups move back to the top of the table with this score 12-2 against the Hougang Hools.
You play white left first. You play white left first. No, you're in the